Hello, you've reached the emergency center.
Dad, are you free right now?
I think you may have dialed the wrong number.
No, Mom didn't answer the phone, so I called you, Dad.
Are you in danger right now?
Yeah, I just got off work and I'm exhausted. My bag is really heavy. Dad, can you come pick me up?
Is someone following you?
Yeah, I'm really tired.
Is he armed?
Yeah, I've already eaten.
How many of them are there?
I'm carrying just one bag, but it's really heavy. Dad, could you come get me?
Where are you right now?
On my way home, I saw there's a pretty good music show at Victory Park next to our apartment.
We've located you. We're on our way. Please try to stay safe.